There's Andrew in the blizzard. I have to go outside.
No, it's not. Yeah, open the door.
Open the door. I need the sound effect.
It rides down now. I know. Now it's not coming.
Why is he moving out? Why do they need you to move 12 up?
Drew!
The window!
Not the flower pot!
Stop!
Why are you breaking that?
Watch out! Andrew, put the flower pot and put it next to it. What are you moving that for?
The flower...
Put the pot back on there. Then yeah, come on with this thing.
Dad!
Yeah, you're blocking my screen.
The flower pot. Since when? I got that on video.
Okay, now move. Now pull that tail.
Nobody else's garbage is falling.
I know.
The other way, put it.
No, why is ours the only garbage falling?
This way.
Because they're all together.
Hello!
Get that was a question.
My God! There! Leave it there. Put the other one next to it. Not like that. Next to it, on the side here. Man, holy crap.
Yeah, why do you gotta yell?
Here. Just put it here.
Behind the flower pot.
Right against it. Like that. Put the boxes in between the pails.
The other pizza box is under that guy's box.
The box.
Put the lid and lock it.
Oh my God, Vinny.
Yeah, you're sick puppy. Seriously, Dad.
I'm sick. You
My-
were looking out the window, looking at snow.
Look at Andrew roughing it.
We were looking at the windstorm.
The windstorm for you.
Poor Drew. Anybody else go out there? I know. Oh, what happened to the ceiling? The water came in when it rained.
There he is, coming back from his hard work.
My poor baby. At least he does it.
Wave hi.
Loser.
I don't know.
Oh!